Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. We wish all our viewers and readers a very happy Dhanteras. In today's news, we will be covering news about Jio offers combined telecom and food delivery plan, Indian government eases regulation for electric vehicle manufacturing, Google's account purge for inactive users and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Apple unveils exclusive Diwali season offers for Indian buyers featuring a 50% discount on the third generation AirPods with lightning cable support. The promotional period runs from 8 to 14 November and is applicable at Apple's official online stores, Apple Saket in New Delhi and Apple BKC in Mumbai. Along with the discount, purchasers will receive a complimentary 6-month subscription to Apple Music. It's important to note that this offer cannot be combined with instant cashback, education or corporate employee purchase plan pricing. Apple also extends a trade-in program for loyal customers, allowing them to exchange their old devices for new Apple product while receiving attractive trade-in bonuses. To initiate a device exchange, customers must provide information about their current device, receive an estimated trade-in value and apply the credit towards their purchase. The device will undergo inspection and diagnostics to ensure its condition. Next, we have Elon Musk brain implant startup. Neuralink is gearing up for its inaugural clinical trial involving an implant designed to replace the removed portion of the skull. The implant's objective is to read and analyze an individual's brain activity and transmit this data wirelessly to a nearby laptop or tablet. The ideal candidate for this trial is an adult under the age of 40 experiencing paralysis in all 4 limbs. Neuralink's ambitious goal encompasses translating thoughts into computer understandable commands, enabling human-machine hybrids capable of downloading knowledge or storing thoughts and facilitating brain-to-brain communication. As Neuralink seeks its first volunteer, it faces competition from other companies like Synchron and Onward, which have been ahead in conducting human trials with brain implant. The development of Neuralink's revolutionary technology holds the world's attention as it may redefine the future of human-machine interaction. Google announces its initiative to delete accounts that have remained inactive for an extended duration, with the earlier deletions scheduled for December 2023. This policy primarily targets users who haven't logged into their Gmail Drive or Google Photos accounts for an extended period. Google's rationale is that old inactive accounts pose a higher security risk, often using outdated or compromised passwords and lacking modern security measures like two-factor authentication. Google specifies that if a Google account has not been accessed or used for a minimum of 2 years, it may be subject to deletion, including the content within Google Workspace such as Gmail, Doc, Drive, Meet, Calendar, and Google Photos. Google is actively reaching out to affected users via email, ensuring they are informed about the impending changes. By maintaining regular activity within their Gmail, Doc, Calendar and Photos account, user can secure the continued availability of their Google accounts. The Indian government is working on streamlining policy regulation to encourage electric vehicle EV manufacturing within the country. Discussion among various ministries aim to provide incentives to foreign car manufacturers interested in producing EVs for the global market. Proposed incentives include reduction in import duties and expedited approval processes for the EV sector. Presently, imported vehicles below $40,000 incur a 70% import duty, while those above $40,000 face a 100% import duty. The government will also consider expanding the scope of existing incentive schemes to further support the EV sector. Tesla has engaged in discussions with Indian officials regarding plans to establish a gigafactory in India with an initial production capacity of 5 lakh cars. This aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's discussion with Tesla CEO Elon Musk during his US visit in June. Jio, a prominent Indian telecom provider, introduces a new prepaid plan in partnership with Swiggy, combining telecommunication services with food delivery. The Jio Swiggy Festive Prepaid Plan provides users with a daily data allowance of 2 GB unlimited voice call and extended 5G data access for 84 days. This bundled plan includes a 3-month subscription to Swiggy One Lite, offering benefits valued up to Rs 600. These benefits comprises 10 free home deliveries for food orders exceeding Rs 149 and Instamart orders above Rs 199, no search fees on food and Instamart orders, over 30% additional discount on orders from 20,000 plus restaurant and a 10% discount on Genie deliveries exceeding Rs 60. Additionally, users of this bundled plan during the festive season will receive Rs 50 cashback credited to their MyJio account. Jio further expand its reach by launching a Swadesh standalone store in Hyderabad and aims to double the state's GSDP within 5 years. Next up we have Healthify Me, a health and fitness platform launches Snap, an AI-powered tool for meal tracking that leverages computer vision AI to streamline the process. Users can capture images of their meals directly from their phone's lock screen, allowing Snap to manage the rest of the tracking process. The app combines heuristic analytics and human-in-the-loop technique to personalize meal tracking, achieving an impressive accuracy rate of 75%. Notably, Snap is tailored for Indian cuisine, which presents challenges due to a lack of reference images and the diversity of foods in India. The introduction of Snap results in an 80% increase in meal tracking consistency and is currently in a pilot phase on WhatsApp to expand its reach. Healthify Me's innovative solution simplifies meal tracking, enhancing users' health and dietary monitoring experiences. At last, Amazon implements a pay-to-quit program within its fulfillment centers, inspired by Zappos, to encourage employees to contemplate their career aspirations. The program starts with an offer of $2,000 and increases by $1,000 each year, reaching a maximum of $5,000 with the tagline, "Please don't take this offer." The initiative emphasizes the significance of employees reflecting on their career goals and considering their long-term ambitions. Founder Jeff Bezos believes that empowering employees to pursue their career aspirations benefit both the workforce and the company. In addition to the pay-to-quit program, Amazon introduces the career choice, prepaying 95% of tuition costs for high-demand courses such as nursing and aircraft mechanics. The program aims to foster employee choice and facilitate personal growth, recognizing that Amazon serves as a stepping stone to diverse career paths. However, in 2022, Amazon temporarily suspended the program due to significant growth and operational challenges, including the global e-commerce surge and labor shortages stemming from the pandemic. This suspension aligned with Amazon's need to reassess operational and strategic priorities following peak seasons of unprecedented workforce demands. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow ITverse for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।